Reading the data wise is. Hello, welcome. I consider the raw data to be the most important content in this book. For raw data to make sense, it first need to be interpreted. Only then can logical conclusions be drawn. It will show you how to identify the connections in the data to reveal the relationships. If you prefer, you can leave all that to me. I provide you with my conclusions at the end of each of the data chapter. A remote viewer usually collect information having no or very little knowledge of the target. If you are new to this subject, the first thing to be aware of the that remote viewers should follow a rig protocol. We collect and record data in the structural way that exclude or subjective comments and imagining that corrupt the results. Next, we have following the protocol exactly ensures the data are recorded as efficiently and objectively as possible. The strictly limited time allowed for a session ensures there is little opportunity for to remote viewers to be distracted. To further limit mistakes and to optimize results, the viewer usually works the session alone in a room free of distractions. Remote viewing is quite different from analysis. Remote viewers talk about employing two different states of mind. There is the one they can use to remote viewing a target and another used to analyze the data. The initial step in the analyze is to identify the data. To some extent, we are all influenced by our life experience, and remote viewers are not different. For example, the interest of a nuclear physicist might well overlap with whatever catches the eye of a nuclear engineer, but scientists too may miss further obvious enough to a traveler captain or a software developer. Eventually, we all become specialized in one field or another, and it is this experience that tends to frame our perceptions. When it comes to analyzing cryptocurrencies, my life experience may not serve me quite as well as knowledge of blockchain technology, coding, or even more journal information technology. My analysis and especially my explanation of remote viewing data should be enough to help you interrupt what you see on the all means go that through. But keep in mind the point I may consider my raw data as the most important contribution to the book. The Q. One of the key elements to learning the to remote view is knowing how to construct the search question that define the data. Remote viewers call the search question the queue. The queue focus only on the data needed by default. It filters out anything that would otherwise confuse the search. Similar to the specific search request required by a comprehensive library, a queue is carefully assembled to ensure a helpful answer. The new remote viewing queue is then trusted to ensure it returns reliable. Thank you.